All right. Are we live? We're live. So what's up? I'm turning on my camera. Give me a sec. What's up? All right. Let's go ahead, hit a bias real quick, guys. Love the stream. All right. We're chilling. We're chilling. All right. All right. Bro. All right. I gotta. What's up? What's up? How many people got in here? We got 5 in here already. All right, guys. My bears today. I have not went over bias yet. Give me a quick second. I'm setting up my copy trader real quick. I'm logged in. Guys, go ahead and like up the stream. Like up the stream. We just got on here. Going to connect these. We got. All right. We are chilling. Oh, there we go. All right, we're good. Sorry, I was setting some stuff up. We just got monetized on the YouTube, so I was just setting some stuff up. I'm gonna go ahead and look at buys here. Let's go on the daily. Let's get rid of all this extra stuff. Okay, we closed below the daily. Definitely looking bearish here. Because we closed below the daily gap. Let's check the 4-hour. On the 5-hour. 4-hour. Yeah, everything's just looking bearish here. Closed below the 4-hour. below 1 hours. Yeah, everything's just looking bearish here, to be honest. I don't really have a draw, though. I'm not gonna lie. Don't have like any draws. Like some LRL we left here. Maybe we could run that. This is like our sell side here. To be honest, all I have right now is just saying I'm bearish. I don't really have any draws, I'm not gonna lie. All right. I have a bunch of new stuff on here. Anyways, guys, let's run up the likes in here. Probably just gonna be bearish on the day, to be honest. It's just looking bearish. I don't really have any draws, like drawing liquidities, so. But yeah, we're just chilling right now, guys. Pretty much just waiting for market open, to be honest. Try to mark out some like key levels, I guess. Definitely looking just bearish as of right now. Bearish to be inverse 4 hour. Yeah, I'm definitely bearish, bro. Inverse the whole daily gap, so. Price is definitely just looking bearish right now. I'll mark out this like sell side here. Because we could look for a setup to the sell side. But what I would want would probably be like come up here and deliver to sell side. Something like that. All right. We're getting close to market open. I'm gonna go grab a water. Yeah. Get the next liquidity in 4 hours. In 4 hours or on the 4 hour? I actually have the one marked out below that, bro. I have 588 marked out. 588 is like the really big high. Like these kind of look like, to me, to be honest, kind of look like LRL. So if we come down here, I'd really prefer just to run all of this. See, you go on the hourly, bro. It's just kind of like, it's a lot of liquidity there. But it's pretty much like a, yeah, bro. Check the higher time frame, dude. If you go on the 4 hour, disrespecting bearish gaps, right? Disrespecting bearish, then respected this bullish BPR, right? Disrespected this bullish gap, respected bearish BPR, disrespected this bearish gap, or this bullish gap. Go on the hourly, you can see we are respecting bearish again, bearish gap, respecting this bearish gap. It's really, really tiny, but we're respecting this bearish gap, disrespecting this bullish gap. Price is just not respecting bearish gaps. We're disrespecting. We're I'll call you Ian. But we're just disrespecting bullish gaps and respecting the bearish ones. So our price is so bearish right now, Ian. Please tell me you got that. Or we literally inverse a daily gap. Oh, they added the payout request to my wallet on there, so now I'm just waiting to see if they I requested, so I requested the withdrawal from my what. What do you mean? Bro, what? What did I say? I said it's the weekend, so I haven't gotten a response yet. From one of them. Bro, he says, wait, listen. He said, POV, bro, thinks they process payouts on weekends when they specifically said they don't. Implied takes 30 seconds to sign up. And how'd you even get a payout? You've been straight gambling. Bro, I never said I think they process payouts on. I literally said that in the video. That, oh, I'm assuming they don't process it on the weekends. Bruh. Bro said that's rage bait and then proceeds to try to rage bait me. Yeah, that's what I said. It wasn't bad. It was kind of boring waiting in the lines because they wanted to meet people. Bro, what's his name? Bro, what's wait, Ian's not Ian. Bro. Nick, Nick's brother, right? Yeah, Bosch firm. Wanted to meet what it's this young LA model. He wanted to meet her and he was like shaking. He was like shaking. No, Sarah's at our gym all the time. But no, no. It's this bro. She has like oh Killjoy. He wanted to meet Killjoy. Yeah, he said that. And he was like tweaking, bro. He was like, "Can you get a picture of me with her?" I was like, "Okay." And then like he ended up here, bro. Bro, listen. Well, yeah, Ronnie Coleman was there too. That was cool. Bro, but they he like, bro, he didn't even get the picture with her because it was his turn to take a picture. And she walked away. Yeah, I'm serious. And then yeah, bro, he was like tweaking though. He was like, no, Bosch firm, bro. It was like, bro, it was like 30 minutes later, and we were at the pull up contest, and he's like, bro, I'm still shaking because I was gonna meet Killjoy. I don't know. All I know is I won. The guy was doing like up, down, and having you like pause and stuff. No, no, bro. Yeah, please don't do that. So we did just tap into what gap did I have marked out here? Oh, this is the daily inverse, bro. There's not even a gap here. Okay, there's an hourly here. Okay, this is the hourly we could look for a tap into. Hourly BPR. What'd you say? So we just formed a 1 minute. The only problem here is that we're not really like delivering off of anything. With this wrong. Like this is a possible setup, but this is just really bad, to be honest. Not bad. I mean, it would be like a Judas swing. We did sweep some buy side, and we are bearish, but I would prefer deliver off of like the BPR. At 10 a.m., I'm gonna have to go let my girlfriend in because I told her to get here at 10 a.m. You heard me, Ian? You're gonna what me at 10 a.m.? So my girlfriend's gonna be here at 10 a.m. I gotta go let her in. What? Oh, gotta pay the bills. Yeah. Yeah, bro, Chacho. No, I'm looking for. I want us to pull back to the hourly. I mean, no, that's the FVG. That's not the BPR. Shut up. Shut up. Which one? What candle? Yeah, that's a BPR. Yeah. Yeah, we just tapped into it. But you're the good boy. You're the one who found the BPR. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, we have some stuff down there. We have a 1 minute gap here. Check YouTube chat. Delivering a 5 minute FVG SMT with London highs. You shorting this, bro? Maybe we'll see. Yeah, no SMT now. We get SMT. Yeah, I'll check for an SMT. I haven't been checking for SMTs. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah, we did have an SMT with that high, right? I'm assuming. Yeah, we did have an SMT with that. Or London high. Let me turn on this. Bro, we haven't swept London high on either one. Yeah. It's not bad. There's a 3 minute. I would probably go break even before we hit it though. Where would the 3 minute be? Let me see. I know I'm seeing we have a 1 minute though. I'll probably take the 1 minute go break even before we hit it. Yeah. You were delivering off the 1 hour. Yeah. Maybe I have to go down a con here though. We'll see. Okay. I actually got really good risk here. I'm in 9. 846. I don't know. It's up to you. This might be a quick stop out, dude. Just look for like, what is this 2R down here? $5 minute. Yeah, probably do break even at the 5 minute to be honest. Then, well, that's like negative R for me, so I wouldn't do break even there. Or I wouldn't do partials. I mean, sorry. Yeah, for me, it's at the high. Yeah. Yeah, that would be nice. This is a Mac model to the 5 minute, so it was almost an instant stop out too. Can you turn your mic up? It's kind of quiet. Is this better? No, almost did. Okay, so now we're kind of almost was stop out. Yeah, I'm doing break even. That was almost an instant stop too. That's crazy. Dude, that was almost bad, bro. Holy crap, dude. All right, now we just needed to dump through these gaps. So, okay. So I got partials there. Yeah. And I'll probably so I got 1-to-1 for partials there. Probably just gonna look for like this low or something. Yeah, we do. We do have some kind of LRL here. All right. Yeah. Yeah, that's just like reversed off rip, dude. Yeah, you had a really good entry because of it. Let me see. She had me almost out in the first 5 seconds. Yeah, dude. Did almost have us out in the first 5 seconds, bro. Had me nervous. Dude, you had a really good entry. Guys, my friend entered on, like, got a really good entry on that, like, pullback there. You're out on partials here, right? I took out 4 contracts instead of 5. Yeah. Yeah, let's watch this 5 minute. If we close below on this 5 minute, then I'm gonna hold. Yeah. If it closed below, yeah, that should be a good sign. I mean, yeah, it could still go down. Yeah. Yeah. But it doesn't mean it won't disrespect it. It just means we haven't disrespected it yet. All right, let's see about this. Oh, that was almost not a close below. You saw that? It went up for a second. All right. I'm looking for like a 1.6R here. You just yeah, you entered with the wrong amount of contracts, but it is a right risk to reward. Hurry up. You could have just clicked on the number and typed in 3. Okay, you're good. Yeah, we might get stopped out for partials here. Dude, what is going on? Please just dump, bro. Guys, we're gonna have to pull out the magnets here. We're gonna have to pull out the magnets here. We're gonna have to pull out the magnets here. But the magnets aren't working. The magnet's not working, guys. Guys, the magnet's not working. Guys, the magnets aren't working. Magnet's not working. Magnet's not working, guys. Magnet is not working. We're gonna have to pull out the hammer too, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're gonna have to pull out the hammer. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that 1 minute, dude. Low key seems like it might be holding. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, don't break even me. But I gotta hammer faster. And yeah, stop the break even there. My entry, I'm sorry, you had an amazing entry, bro. That's an actual entry, dude. Your entry was just insanely good. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna post the word par. Then we got partials here. I won't be mad about my partials if it's just like just pumps. You see how much we're up right now? Yeah, because you know when your stop loss is bigger, you're supposed to like, or when your stop loss is smaller, you're supposed to use more, and you use less. I'm up 200 on the day, so it's still. Okay, so now at this point, we have like. No, it doesn't do that on here. It's not a backtesting software. Go to like the emojis. You were really close to break even. Imagine you don't get break even, dude. I'm up. I'm up 200. Or I'm up 200 on the day right now. I'm still willing to take another trade, but it's a no. It's like a no news Monday, so I'm not really itching for anything. Dude, no way, dude. There's a 30-second re-entry here, dude. Dude, now watch this 30-second work. Yo, I hope you get break even, bro. If not, bro, like I'm gonna crush him. No, that was at my gym. I started paying for the sauna. Dude, no way, dude. So annoying. Bro, are you gonna eat your TV? Bro, why didn't you put the magnet up earlier, bro? The magnet was working for it's working for you, but not working for me. Bro, you're gonna have like the same you're gonna have like the same profit as me on the day. The same profit as me on the day. No, you're gonna have a little bit more than me. Okay. That's annoying, bro. How much are you up on the day? How much are you up on the day? 400? Go to account summary. That's not horrible. That's not horrible. I'm up 190. I missed the re-entry, bro. You see the re-entry? Sorry guys, I was looking at my friend's screenshot and see chat. Entered on 5-minute gap 1-to-1. Why didn't you use stop a close above instead of high? I've been using hard stop recently. Can you turn mic up? It's kind of quiet. Oh yeah, that was earlier. Shit almost had me out in the first 5 seconds. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Might be a slow day. What's up? Kind of sucks that I didn't get the re-entry here though on the 30-second put. Got partial on the day. Bro, be happy. You're up on your funded. Mad about your like stop loss and shit, bro. Bro, if your shit said up 2K, you were not gonna sit there and just hold it, bro. We already took London Lows. We already took London Lows. We already took London Low. Yeah. Like, don't get me wrong, that's an annoying break even, bro. Bitcoin, please, no, thank you. How to reach out to you? I mean, you could message the Discord. On Nasdaq didn't close well. Me? What do you mean? But Primp, bro, dude, that was kind of trippy, bro. And I don't really want a long because I'm bearish. So I mean, I wish I would have taken that 30-second re-entry. We would have been up a good amount on the day, but don't really have anything else right now. Full TP actually could have been just right here. I mean, I would have done partials here, full TP here, to be honest. That'd have been really, really good. But unfortunately, did not get it. Let's see. No, I'm not longing, bro. Look at that. Look at the higher time frame. Higher time frame is very bearish. It doesn't make sense for a long to work here. No. Highest time frame I'll use for a target is 15. Maybe like hourly if it's like close and overlaps with like the 15, but annoying break even. Yeah, it's an annoying break even. It's a Monday with no news, so I don't really. We also bias is like very like bearish, so longing here is not really the move. It was a really clean delivery off the 1 hour. What? No, dude. Ian, check the hourly. We have the hourly PPR. We have. They're good. They're good. But it's very, very bearish here, dude. Respected that. There's like a 5-point hourly gap that we did, like we tapped into it, just instantly dumped off of it. And it's literally just a 5-point bearish gap. Everything just looks here. Let me see. All right, can you hear me? Who? Who? No. But you see this? We're respecting this gap. We're respecting this gap. We respected even like this gap. Or well, it didn't tap here. It tapped on NQ. Yeah. No, you're good. So the only thing I would even look for would be the sell side. But we had the thing I was looking for was like this LRL that we kind of have here. So because we literally ran all of that, I really don't have anything else, and it's a no news Monday, so price action is normally going to be trash. Yeah, I'm up 200, so I'm gonna with. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna withdraw 100 after my dashboard resets. Yeah, you want to see? I'll show you. No, I know. Annoying break even, manipulation leg, confirmation shorts. We're the only play. Our only play potentially. No, I wouldn't even look for anything now. We ran the LRL. Only confirmation short would have been this one, but there was no delivery or liquidity sweep for this one. So this one wasn't even really a good setup. The only reason you could have taken this one was because you had a good like conviction in this draw. Other than that, done for the day. I saw your entry. Continuation doesn't need liquidity sweep. I understand continuation doesn't need liquidity sweep, but we're not delivering off of anything either. Yes, but we're not delivering off of anything. If anything, we inverse this. So I would have been waiting for like this. But again, I didn't really want that. So we weren't delivering off of anything either. For a continuation, you look for a delivery. There was no delivery here. Still think 15-minute is the draw. What 15-minute? What 15-minute? If you're talking about a 15-minute up here, I would say you're completely wrong. We delivered off of this hourly BPR like really freaking hard, bro. Oh, that 15-minute sell side. You're talking about the one I have marked out? You're talking about the one I have marked out, then why would I say you're wrong when I literally have it marked out? But my draw was the 50 was this LRL here, dude. Fat LRL. Just a bunch of liquidity everywhere. Actually, wait, the LRL was right here. Sorry. LRL was this. Just unfortunately, got break even there. I mean, we got partials, but sorry about that, guys. Any setup? Yeah, we're done for the day already. Just a partial TP, and then could have caught the continuation model here, but I didn't like this because we weren't delivering off of anything. Yeah, no, I'm my girlfriend's about to get here, so I'm probably just gonna get off, dude. I mean, I'm up 200 on the day. I'm gonna withdraw 100 because I told you I'm leaving 100 from each trade. Take 100 out, and then just go on with my day, bro. Probably, probably. That's why you would have take you you would have well no what did you do wrong? You used bro. Okay, Ian. Look at my screen share. Look at my screen share. No, I'm gonna tell you what you did wrong. Okay, so my no look, my stop loss was 110 ticks, but I got a better entry. My entry wasn't horrible, so I really should have done 90. It was like 90 ticks, so I should have used. It was like mine was like 98 stop loss, but I risked it for 110 because I didn't know where the close was gonna be, and I like to de-risk a little bit, not de-risk, but I like to like not over risk. So I used 9 contracts when I really should have used 10. So my risk was a little bit under, which I'm completely fine with. I just don't want to lose. I don't want to lose more than 500. So I was fine with it being risking like 490 or 480. But basically, look, how many ticks was your stop loss? Okay. Now look, watch. Boom. Look. 49, 49. Okay. And then if you use five, yeah, you just use like negative amount of contracts, bro. You risked $120 on a 4 trade. But yeah, 100%. Holy crap, dude. Ian, we're at 33 viewers on stream here. What the fuck, dude? We left relative equal lows down here. Let me go. Actually, let me see. Yeah. We well we did leave like equal lows here, so relative equal lows. So see if we do get like 8 likes. Guys, can we hit 10 likes on the stream, guys? Can we hit 10 likes on the stream? We're at 28 viewers, guys. We should be able to hit 10 likes. We're already green on the day, guys. We're chilling. We just created like relative equal lows here. So possibly, but do you not see? It's on NQ and MNQ, so it doesn't matter which one I check. Literally right here. Right here. It's literally a tick, a singular tick off, Ian. Yeah. Yeah, we do have a 1 minute. For the most part, probably just. Oh, wait. Let me check something. Oh, yo, Ian, I know why that 30 second was actually really good, even though we had no delivery. Look at the stream. We had SMT here, dude. Look at this. See this? See how this one retook the high, this one didn't? So that 30 second was actually really good. It's probably play of the day, to be honest. You see it, Ian? Yeah, see how this one didn't retake the high and I said there was no delivery or sweep here? For the re-entry. Right. So you see how there was no resweep here? Or no delivery? Because you see how we actually closed above this gap? Like this gap right here. Yeah, you see how we inverse this to the upside? So we weren't necessarily delivering off of this, and we didn't sweep any liquidity for the setup for the 30 second short, because this 30 second short worked. Yeah, so we swept the high, so we did have the liquidity sweep on ES, and the SMT just makes it stronger. So it made it valid. Yeah. No, we don't really have an SMT here. We didn't take any highs. We took the high on both. Where? Yeah, we already took the LRL though. No, LRL was right here. Are you talking about buy side? Yeah. Yeah, are you talking about this buy side here? Who the SMT is? Bro, no, the one that got took is just as high. It's buy side. I mean, you could consider it that yeah, but it's not on ES because ES took the high. We formed it when we came here, but and we inverse the 5 minute was showing bullish price action. So Honestly, guys, yeah, completely done for the day. So this is just showing like very like bad PA. We inversed the 5 minute to the downside. Didn't even take out the full sell side. Then we're inversing back to the upside. You don't want to see us inversing in both directions like this. SMTs on both sides. We have SMT with this low at the bottom of the LRL. We have SMT at these highs. We're just inversing back and forth in both directions. Don't really want to see this, to be honest. We're already green on the day, so I'm not going to sit here and risk it with some BS price action. So I'm going to go ahead and get off stream, guys. You guys can take more trades later if you guys want, but I'm completely done for the day. So I will see you guys later. Good stream today. Actually, wait, we're almost at an hour on stream. I'll stay on stream to 8 an hour. Bruh. 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 I already got the haircut. Yeah, only for the 100, only for half of it, so $100. Yeah, I gotta wait for the day to end. But I can withdraw it because I just have extra money sitting there. I'll just withdraw it. I I can because I'm building the buffer there, so I can just withdraw it without waiting for it to update. So it's art. Yeah, it'll reset with the profit that I made. Yeah, exactly. And I'm leaving $100, and I'm leaving $100 from this trade. So there's already just gonna be an extra like $200 in my account on top of it. So one second. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Shut up, dude. But yeah, price action is just gonna be trash here for the rest of the session. Let's be honest, guys. I mean, we had. Oh yeah, Ian. I know why you're set up. I know why you got TP. Ian, look at the time. Look at the time when it dumped to your TP. Look at the time when it dumped to your TP. Look at the time when it dumped to your TP. What time was it? What? No, 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 no. When did we start dumping? What was the first big candle? The macro. The macro. And then look after the macro. Look after 10-10. What have we been? What what have we been doing after the 10? What have we been doing after the 10-10 macro so far? I told you, bro. I told you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's not like I just made this shit up, bro. No, look, no. It went up at 10:03. 10. The macro ends at 10:10, Ian. It was moving back up in the macro, and then moved back down 10:08, and then 10:10. We've just been chopping so far. I'm gonna make a crash out video about missing this re-entry, dude. Dude, this re-entry actually played out so beautiful, dude. This re-entry just oh uh 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 Yo! What's up, guys? Anybody got any questions about today? Before I get off here. Mi amor is about to get to my house. Ian, are you looking at the video about TJR saying the N word? Took it longs at 102. Ew. Ew. This guy took longs at 102. Bro, TJR is so funny, bro. Bro, people do actually. Bro, people do get mad at him, bro. Anyways, guys, W stream today done very early. I know it was only partials. I mean, you could have caught this, bro, but I'm a gooner, so I missed it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'll see you guys later.